New regulations on driving license and vehicle registration. Obtaining a driver's license is a rite of passage for every individual. It is a symbol of coming of age for teenagers and young adults, as well as the first significant step that one takes after moving to a new country. The driver's license issued by the UAE government allows an individual to drive in all the 7 emirates of the UAE and serves as a document of proof showing that one has the knowledge of the traffic rules in the country and the competence to drive. New regulations governing driver's license. The recently passed Federal Decree Law No. 14 of 2024 on traffic regulation has made some significant changes on the provisions regulating driver's license and vehicular licenses, including the minimum age for the application of the driver's license. Conditions that make one eligible for license as per Article 10 of the new law. A person may apply for their driver's license at the age of 17. Additional requirements for the application of driver's license include completing the medical examination and the driving test conducted by the licensing authority. It is obligatory to carry a driver's license in Dubai and subsequently submit the license to the authorized representative whenever requested for verification. It is the duty of a vehicle owner to ensure that his vehicle is not used by anyone who does not hold a valid driver's license. Driver's license for visitors and tourists. UAE has approved a list of countries whose driver's licenses are considered acceptable and valid in the UAE during transit and visitation. One may also use the international driving license for the same purpose. Suspension of license. As per Article 12 of the law, a driver's license may be suspended by the licensing authority in the following scenarios. 1. If the license holder is found to lack the capacity or the medical fitness necessary to operate the vehicle, or 2. If the Traffic Control Authority deems it necessary, the license may be suspended in accordance with the security and traffic safety regulations. Learner's license. Articles 14 and 15 laws down the laws related to learners and driving instructors. People who want to learn to drive must do so only after acquiring a learner's license issued by the licensing authority. Similarly, to teach driving, one must hold a training permit and the specific license required to operate the specialized vehicle used for the purpose of training new drivers. The law also specifies that new learners must not drive on public roads in populated areas. Driving schools must also be duly licensed by the prescribed authority. Vehicle registration requirements. All vehicles that are intended to be driven on the roads, except military vehicles, vehicles owned by the rulers of the country, foreign transit vehicles, and certain other designated vehicles, must be licensed and registered with the competent authority. Their license plate must be displayed in the manner prescribed by law. Additionally, the vehicles must be insured with a licensed insurance company. All vehicles must be in good technical condition, properly equipped, and compliant with the specifications provided by the state. In the event of selling a car, the transfer of ownership must also be notified and registered with the licensing authority. Vehicle recall and reinspection. Article 26 states that any modifications to the vehicle must be done in compliance with the conditions and regulations set by the licensing authority. Prior approval and inspection of the authority is required before the use of modified vehicles. As per Article 27, the licensing authority may recall a vehicle for reinspection. This may include a technical inspection of the vehicle. In case the inspection highlights deficiencies in the vehicle, the authority will outline the deficiencies and defects. The owner of the vehicle will be prohibited from using the vehicle until all the deficiencies are rectified and the vehicle is approved for use. If multiple inspections are necessary, the owner will be required to pay the inspection fee only once. Any grievance regarding the inspection results can be filed with the licensing authority within 10 days. Vehicle repair after accident. According to Article 28, car repair shops must not undertake repairs of any vehicle showing signs of accident or damage without the vehicle repair permit issued by the Traffic Control Authority. Vehicle rental or leasing. As per Article 29, renting or leasing vehicles must not be carried without obtaining a license from the competent authority. Before renting out a vehicle to an individual, the renting company must verify the validity of his driver's license.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.